Hey everyone, in today's video I'm super excited to share with you this healthy smoothie recipe which will literally heal you from within. It will boost your body's immune system and it's super nutritious. So without further ado, let's get into it guys. But I just quickly want to say that this channel I usually do natural beauty hacks, fitness. I'm also a mum of two, so I do vlogs as well. So please do subscribe for loads more and loads of healthy recipes as well. And also connect with me on Instagram as well, please. I really appreciate it. And yeah, and in today's video I'm joined with my little helper. You'll see what I mean by that. He's a total hoot, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. And thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. Your support literally means the world to me. I appreciate you all so much. I love you guys with my whole heart. From where you end to where you start. That's one of Tyrese's books. Anyways, let's get into it, guys. The thing I'm going to be using is some strawberries and blueberries. These are really high in antioxidants, and strawberries are also really good for vitamin C. Blueberries are really high in nutrients and they can also help to lower blood pressure. Just removing the leaf part, and I've already washed the strawberries and the blueberries. I've also made some ginger tea, which I've also made a video on, which really heals your body from within. It helps if you're feeling sick. So I'll link that video down below. Just chopping up some seeded watermelon. Watermelon is one of the best fruits to eat if you're trying to lose weight, as it's mainly made up of water. And it's also high in vitamin A as well. It's really good for boosting your body's immune system. Just taking my absolute favorite, which is avocado. This is amazing, guys. It contains a healthy fat. This one actually looks like it's seen better days, but oh well. Avocado a day keeps the doctor away. I just love these, especially added in smoothies. It makes your smoothie so creamy and delicious. I'm just taking some mango. Mango is amazing. It actually alkalizes your body. A low-calorie fruit that's high in fiber. It's a really good source of vitamin A and C. It also contains calcium, zinc, and vitamin E as well. Taking some organic dates. These are excellent natural sweeteners and they're so nutritious. They've got so much fiber as well. Make sure you remove the pips. Shout out to my son's Spider-Man plate. Some kale. I usually freeze my kale, which is really beneficial, so I've always got kale on hand. Today I'm joined with my beautiful helper. What's your name, helper? Oh, what's your name? You hold this.
I'm not putting them.
Caden, come on.
No, I'm not putting them.
Okay.
I'm only putting mango and strawberry.
The smoothie will taste yummy as well.
Not yummier than mango and strawberry.
And then later we'll do your one. Okay?
Oh no! No choice.
Right, so we're just gonna put some watermelon. Hold it up so they can see, Kay. Be happy. And we're also gonna put in. Do you know what this is, Kay?
Why am I putting this? I don't want this.
It's nice.
No, not more. Not more.
Tyrese, could you come and do this video? Because Kay's in a mood. Hold up the cup so I can put it in, Kay.
The best one. That's enough. No!
Just a tiny bit. No. You won't taste it, I promise. Properly. Sit back. Sit. Okay, get one mango to eat. One. I thought you were helping to put them in the cup. Hold this cup so you can put some. Now you've taken all the mango. Okay, no more. Oh yeah, you put it in. Put another one.
I think we need 3.
Wait. So far we've put watermelon, kale, and mango. And my helper's been a great help. Not. Could you hold my cup up, Kay? We're also going to scoop in just a little bit. This will make your smoothie really creamy. Where are you at with the cup, Kay? Kaden! Kay, you won't taste it, I swear. Come on. This will taste really yummy. I'm not kidding you.
No.
They can't see. Hold the cup over here. Thank you. Ah!
No.
This is the last one, Kay. Come on. What? Hold it up, Kay. And I'm gonna add in some of the strawberries. Add in some if you want. Hold the cup over here so we can see, Kay. And a little bit blueberries. What are you doing, Kay? Right. Do you think we've got enough? What's next do we need? Do you think we need more kale, Kay?
No.
We're gonna add in these. These are what Superman eats, and they're also what Spider-Man eats. They give him massive muscles. So you take the spoon. Can you careful, gentle, 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 and hold it still, and I'll lift the cup. You hold it still. Put it on. Good job. Yeah? Hold it up so we can see. You do it. Just a little bit. I think that's enough, Kay. I have to just put the lid on.
Otherwise, if the lid's on and if I press it, it would go all over our clothes, isn't it? And it'll put it on right now.
You need to turn it, Kay. Place it in. Wait a second.
Let me.
I'm not pressing anything, Kay. I'm just putting it over here. Wait. Press that one. Blending, you want to make sure that you blend it all up so it's really nice and smooth. See, that's stronger.
You need stronger.
adding in ice cubes to ensure that it's cold. Also tweak it to your liking. If it's not sweet enough, add in dates. I'm trying to make mine sweet as hell for these two little minions. Now I'm gonna take it off, and hopefully it's cold. And we've got Tyrese joining us. Sit over there, please. Say please, Ty. So this is how it looks. Delicious. Tyrese, fix your face. How much do you want?
Half the cup.
It's nice.
Give me!
Does it?
Middle size. That's middle size is half size.
Try.
How do you know middle size is half size? Why can't you see half size?
Hayden. Tyrese!
This watermelon wounded.
Hayden, I don't want to hear things like that.
Does it taste good?
Try it. Tyrese, what do you think?
Good.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Like the watermelon.
Like the what?
The watermelon makes it better.
Hayden, stop. How does it taste?
You're not gonna have pistachios. I like it.
Do you not like it, Key? Really?
I like it.
I guess we can't please them all. To pour my own delicious goodness, healing you from within, boosting your body's immune system, and don't watch Caden, guys, because this was delicious.